Welcome to the DUCO Collaborative Robot Training Course. Manual Release Brake. In some special cases, the user needs to manually release the brake of a single joint and remove the robot arm from its current position. When the robot arm is powered on and not enabled, the entrance to manually release the brake will appear on the Start page. Click the button to enter the Manual Release Brake page. The left side shows the brake status of each joint. Gray means the brake is closed, and red means the brake is released. On the right is the brake control button. Click to control the opening and closing of the brake. Note, when the brake is released, the joint is at risk of falling, and the joint needs to be fixed according to the situation. Users need to perform brake inspections on schedule to prevent the risk of the robotic arm due to brake failure. When the brake detection exceeds the set time, the system will pop up a prompt dialog box, prompting the user to perform the brake detection. When the robot arm is enabled, the entrance to the brake detection function will appear on the Start page. Click to enter the brake inspection page, which displays the brake inspection period and the number of days since the last brake inspection. Click Start Detection. A prompt dialog box will pop up, and you must follow the dialog box prompts. During the detection process can be suspended or stopped. After the test is completed, the results of this brake test will be displayed. When the robotic arm is powered on, it will detect whether the joint has rotated significantly in the power-off state to ensure safe use. If the joint rotates significantly, the robot position confirmation dialog box will pop up. The user needs to confirm whether the real robot pose is consistent with the 3D model of the interface. If they are consistent, check Confirm that the posture of the robot shown in the picture above is consistent with the actual one. Click the Confirm button to continue the power on operation. If it is inconsistent, click the Power Off button to disconnect the power supply of the robotic arm and contact the maintenance staff.